you use a CRM or some type of software for your business? What's going on? Michael Lawn Dude here. Just wondering, do you guys use a software for your business? For me, I definitely do. Thank God I do. Because if I didn't, I don't know how I would keep up with everything. So, we start out just like everybody else. Microsoft, Excel, making spreadsheets, whatever. You know, print out your person every week, your people that you're doing. That's when I was doing Saturdays. Not really the biggest deal. Once we got bigger, or even before I stopped working Saturdays, before I stopped only being the weekend warrior, we had Groundskeeper Pro. I thought the system was alright, but it really wasn't. I had to do a lot of work with Groundskeeper Pro. So one year, I already had a lot of customers, but one year I decided, hey, I'm going to try Yardbook because I've been hearing some good things about it. Okay. I went with Yardbook, and it honestly is the best decision we've made when it comes to a business software. I'm able to do all of my scheduling. I'm able to keep track of chemicals, inventory, equipment, maintenance days. I can schedule through it. I could send bulk messages, like say if I want to reschedule services for next Tuesday. All I gotta do is go to Tuesday and I can reschedule every last job I want to reschedule. And I can say, don't reschedule this job, I want to keep a couple on that date. Then I can send an email to every last person on that route that I would like to send an email to and let them know I rescheduled them. And then I can also do estimates, and I also have it set up to where automatic reminders go to that client, that potential client. Jeez, what else? It is a lot with this. Oh, credit card processing. That has been the biggest blessing for us with Yardbook is the credit card processing. Customer can click on a link in the invoice, pay their bill, or better yet, like the way I do pretty much 90% of my clients, credit card on file. That one day of the month, I can sit there and charge each card. Only thing I would nag about when it comes to that though is you literally got to click each card. You can't just like click next to each client that you plan to run a card for and then charge them all. You literally, it's got the amount for each client and it's got a charge card in the green box. You just click that next to the customer and it's a whole list of people that you have invoices for. So honestly, I'm happy with it. Also has weather, like it will say what the percentage of weather is for that area that you're doing that route in. Like say if I do a route next Tuesday, I can click that day and it will put the percentage of weather, and then it will say underneath reschedule jobs, so you could literally reschedule the jobs from there. You can time clock. You don't need a time clock because Yardbook has it. You literally click clock in. That is how I keep track of our time. It is a lot of benefit for Yardbook, and it's actually free. I honestly pay $35 a month for the extra added features that I wanted, that I feel like we needed for as a company, and I'm not even complaining about that. And I guess a small disclaimer as I end this video, I'm not at all sponsored by Yardbook. I wish I was, but I'm just not a big enough YouTube channel to where they're going to come and say, hey, we'd like to sponsor this video. You know, maybe one day. So some of these other guys who are talking to you on YouTube, they're sponsored. My review is different. You know it's a real review because I'm not even sponsored. They're not telling me to say this. This is just my own 2 cents on it. Alright, let me know what you're using. Peace.